Hey guys, it's Corey from CorySurvival. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use a jerkbait in a stream. I just got myself a little brown trout here. So if you guys want, go ahead and stay tuned. So that fish I just caught, I just pulled him out literally like right in this area here. Yeah, right in this area. He was a decent size. I'm probably going to give this little area a break and I'm going to move down to the pool down over there. There's quite a bit of fish down over there, so I'll see you in a bit. So this area over here is pretty decent. I'm just going to cast my lure downstream. As you guys saw in my last video, when I was using a drop shot rig, I was casting it upstream and drifting it down. Now I'm just going to use the stream to my advantage when fishing with a jerkbait. So it'll pretty much keep it to where I can make the stream make it look like there's a dead minnow floating down. So you just jerk it a few times and let it loose, let it drift down. And you just keep doing that over and over again until you just work it back like that. Just gonna get down here some more. Hopefully there's something in here. There were two young ladies over here playing in the water. So I'm not too entirely sure if there's gonna be anything in here. They might have spooked them. Just move you guys down a little bit. Oh, there's something in here. But it's very simple, very similar to fishing in a creek, or not creek, a lake. Very similar. Except there's just a current involved. Okay, I'm just standing on this cement platform here. Sorry about my hand in the way. There's usually always something over here. Oh, I got a tangle. Now, as I showed you on how to use a jerkbait, if you get a tangle that's around your, oops, see how the line's kind of tangled around the hook here? Where's it? There we go. Kind of tangled up a little bit. I'm pretty sure you can see it. It's kind of blurry, but just kind of do that. Oops. There we go. There's gotta be something over here. Oh, I had one. There's one. Got one there. Oh, he's getting right in the current. Come here. Come here. Oh, he's fighting. Ah, got him, got him. Oh, I didn't even get him in the mouth. Just swiped it on the top there. Easy hook out there. Look at that brown. Beautiful fish. Dang. Just get him on the release here. There we go. Alrighty, let's get another one here. That was a really good brown trout. See if I can't do it again here. Ooh, it's getting another little, felt like a nibble. Oh, got a tangle. Ah, that's better. Come on, fishy fishes. Sometimes that current can cause your jerkbait to pop up out of the water, and you don't want that. So you just keep your rod tip down, as you can see, and it keeps your bait down under the water. You kind of control the depth by doing that. If you jerk up, it'll cause your bait to come up out of the water. But jerking it down will keep your hard bait down in the water. I might have to move up a little bit. I'll try and cast by that tree one more time. That was all right. Oh, I thought I had one. I got someone else's fishing line. Look at that. Ew. Grody. Let's get this off here. There we go. Take the trash or take any of the leaves and grass off of it. Put that in my pocket so I'm not littering. Good thing about cargo pants, you got big pockets. Pick up trash and stuff. This spot could be kind of difficult. There's a tree right there, tree right here. So it might be a little difficult. That was pretty decent. Wasn't really liking where that was. Just cast over there. There we go. There's one. Ooh, he's fighting. Oh, don't get tangled in the tree. Don't get tangled in the tree there. Got it out of the tree. The fish got away. I to get my girlfriend over here to help me get my lure out of the tree. She was grabbing the back of my pants, and goodness, it's just a mess. Ah! Oh, better. No more tangle. There's nothing over here. I'm gonna have to move down just a little bit more. But yeah, no, literally, working a jerkbait, just cast downstream, work it back like you would in a lake. Use the current to your advantage. Because when you point your rod tip back at your lure, it's gonna drift a little bit and make it look like it's something dead. And a lot of times they hit it right on that drift. I'm gonna go downstream. Actually, I just decided to move up. Traffic's pretty bad out over there. Really don't feel like crossing the road with all my fishing stuff. So I'm just gonna try this quick little pool here. There's one. Whoo, he jumped. Oh, he got him good. Tangled himself up a little bit. Ooh. Tangled himself up good. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alrighty. There he is for you guys. Got him off of that there for you. Go and release him. He hit that hard too. There he goes. Back in the water. Alright, let's try again. Try this again. That was really decent. Get it over there by that branch. There we go. There's one. Another nice one there. Heck yeah. Sweet. That was a little bit better of a hook set there. Get him off the hook here. There we go. Nice brook trout there. And this is number 3 or 4. Would have been 5. So I'm just gonna let him go. Alrighty, here's this trout here. There he goes. Back out in the water. Alright guys, so I didn't end up catching any more fish in that one pool, but if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Ask a question or comment to this video. I'd love to hear from you guys. I do things like this once a week, so if you guys are interested, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I also do a lot of outdoor survival videos, tips and tricks. So yeah, I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. Keep living, keep fishing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.